The Trump administration and Republicans have alleged that widespread voter fraud occurred in the 2016 election. Trump claimed that he would have won the popular vote over Hillary Clinton if he hadn't been thwarted by as many as 5 million illegal votes. And he established a commission to investigate the extent of fraudulent voting.
This commission is tasked with the sacred duty of upholding the integrity of the ballot box.
Republicans and conservatives say requiring photo ID to vote is a common-sense law. Photo IDs, after all, are needed to gain entry into government buildings and airport gates. And they're also required for simpler things, like opening a bank account and applying for a job or Social Security. In the 2012 presidential election, 30 states had voter ID laws, 5 of those with strict photo requirements. In 2016, 33 states had voter ID laws, 7 had strict voter ID requirements. The uptick is controversial and polarizing because voters are questioning the intent of these laws. Democrats and civil rights groups say that millions of Americans don't have the kind of photo IDs states are asking for. They say voter ID laws actually discourage or disenfranchise the people who are least likely to have driver's licenses or passports, and who are likely to vote Democratic: the poor, the elderly, the disabled, and the urban dwellers. Under former President Barack Obama, the Justice Department waged legal battles against these laws. Voter ID laws have been challenged by high courts in Wisconsin, Texas, North Carolina, and Kansas. In North Carolina, a federal appeals court struck down a strict 2013 voting law, ruling it discriminated against African Americans and targeted those voters with, quote, almost surgical precision. In May 2017, when the ruling came before the Supreme Court, they chose not to consider reinstating the law. In 2013, the Justice Department had sued Texas for its strict photo ID law. In 2016, an appeals court ruled the law needed to be softened due to its discriminatory nature. When President Trump took the office, the Justice Department dropped the issue, saying it would no longer challenge the Texas laws. Still, in April, a U.S. District Court judge in Corpus Christi, Texas, ruled the law was designed by Republicans to disadvantage minorities. A more relaxed version of the voter requirements has since been signed into law. Judges have upheld voter ID laws in Virginia, Wisconsin, and Missouri. Democrats in those states took the decisions as major losses. With such a long history of opposition from liberal leaders, many wonder if voter ID laws are here to stay.